If you're in service delivery, you know that event logs are a goldmine of insights, but extracting them is a nightmare. Today, I'll show you how AnalyzeEventLogs cuts through the noise to reveal what really matters. Service delivery teams face a constant flood of data from tickets, systems, and operations. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Manually analyzing this is slow and error-prone. Spreadsheets can't handle the volume or complexity, leading to missed trends and recurring issues. Generic tools lack the domain-specific smarts to interpret service events correctly. That's why we built AnalyzeEventLogs. At its core, AnalyzeEventLogs uses statistical process control and machine learning to model normal behavior. It doesn't just count events, it understands sequences, frequencies, and correlations. This is different from simple alerting systems that only flag thresholds. We focus on probabilistic anomalies and temporal patterns that indicate deeper process flaws. The software ingests logs from any source, standardizes timestamps, and categorizes events. It establishes dynamic baselines for your key metrics, like incident frequency or resolution times. Then, it runs continuous calculations to spot deviations, trends, and clusters. Every analysis is logged for full auditability. You can also model scenarios, like what happens if a process changes, to predict impacts. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a service desk with events from user tickets, server alerts, and change requests. See, over 3 months, AnalyzeEventLogs identifies a subtle pattern. Every software update correlates with a spike in specific error logs 2 days later. By catching this, the team adjusts their rollout schedule, preventing future disruptions and saving hours of downtime. The software generates clear reports that even non-technical stakeholders can understand. It aligns with ITIL and other frameworks, ensuring compliance. Reports highlight root causes and recommended actions, making audits straightforward. In summary, AnalyzeEventLogs gives you proactive insights, reduces manual work, and turns data into decisions.